Some things you might be interested to know about dairy farming in New Zealand. It's almost been 5 years since we left the farm. He left dairy farming to move and live a city life in the busiest city in Aotearoa, Auckland. The dairy farming industry forms a significant part of the New Zealand economy as the biggest export earner of the country. Hence, there's always a need for workers, and the Filipinos with experience in dairy farming are greatly in demand because Filipinos are known to be hardworking and generally compliant. So today, we visited our old family friend who has been farming for almost 2 decades now. Obviously, he's enjoying this career. He is now doing contract milking, which basically means he is managing the entire farm, although owned by someone. At the moment, he has his whole family helping him manage it well, with the tasks distributed equally among each member of the family. But recently, they've applied for an accreditation as they are planning to hire someone from overseas, especially from the Philippines, with experience to work for them. As it has been a very long time that my husband has done milking, he wanted to give this a go again to see if he could still do it. Are you going to help him all the way through?
Yeah, why?
Okay, you miss farming, huh? Maybe you should come back. He was farming for 10 years only and he's over it. Let's not talk about his current career. But someday we will. They got a herringbone milking shed, which is ideal for this small farm because they only have around 400 cows.
Tapos umpisan nyo ng tulak yung mga baka papunta dito. Itutulak pa namin?
Herringbone is easy to operate, it doesn't consume a lot of power, and is easy to maintain too. But if the farm is big with 800 or more cows, just a personal opinion from a former farm worker, a rotary shed would be best for it. Good luck to you. We might just be going home after this. Right, guys, are you excited to get milked? Not really? I can see that in your eyes. Before milking, around 200 cows were collected in the feed pad, where they feast on their feeds for around 45 minutes. After that, the cows will go in each row, which can accommodate up to 50 cows each. Sometimes, some cows need a little bit of a push because they are hesitant or stubborn to go in, so give them a light tap with a stick to keep them moving forward. Once they are lined up, you may start cupping on from the very first cow in the row. When you see that there's no more milk flowing in the cup, you can now remove it and cup it into the cows in the opposite row. So how will you judge if it's finished?
Kung wireless may nagkakatubot.
Ah, okay. And then you will start... No, not yet.
Tapos na yan? Oh, kung wala na may nagatubot, tapos na. Yung sa ilong sa dito.
Parang they're behaving, they're not kicking.
Marami ko eh. Kung natubot ka,
Diba they're going to have their calving, so when are they going to stop milking them?
i-off na ko na sa May.
May?
Mid of May.
Mid of May. So whether they're still milking, they have to stop
Oh,
to rest them.
yes.
And then they'll start milking again after calving. Straight away after giving birth.
After giving birth. After calving.
So what about the other side here? Why are you not milking them? Right after finishing this one. So this is why it's taking long, right? This is why it's taking long with the herringbone compared to a rotary. And how many cows are they going to milk right now?
200.
200. Pila na ni kabilog?
Ilang kung pila kabilog ko na
Don't forget to spray disinfectants. There are many types of disinfectant, but this farm uses the iodine solution. This is to protect the teeth from infections. So kinahanglan mo na himoon right after for all of them. When all the cows in the row are done milking, you may now open the gate to let them out. Well, what if I stay here and they're going out? Is that okay? They usually know where to go, as the race going to their designated paddock has already been set up beforehand. It's really good to have some knowledge about dairy farming if you are interested in working in this industry, because it will take a lot of time and effort training someone who is completely new. And for additional information, the qualities that farm owners are looking for in their employees are reliable, meaning coming to work every day and on time. Basta gusto mo din magbalik farming, ma-apply ka din kay Julius, oh?
Oh, mahina yung gani magkabit, oh.
Malaam ka doon. Matanda na. Ano na lang yung per hour mo, 21. Ginawa niyo tong training ground ang farm ni Julius, ah. Honest and having initiative, which means you don't need to be reminded on what to do unless you have no idea, and so you are expected to ask for help or clarification.
Hey, Joel. Hey, Joel. Hi, guys. Look, please. Sakit yan.
Communication skill is very important as well, so make sure you can at least converse using simple English. If you have learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up to encourage me to make more informative ones during my free time. Ka kite!